If you're considering buying WPBakery Page Builder for your website, there are 12 things you need to know before making that decision. We'll walk you through everything and compare it to other page builders so you can make an informed choice. First, let's talk about its drag and drop interface. WPBakery offers a user-friendly experience, but it can feel a bit clunky compared to competitors like Elementor or Thrive Architect, which tend to provide more intuitive controls and smoother functionality. So if you're aiming for simplicity and speed, these might be better choices. Next thing to keep in mind is that WPBakery is a plugin primarily for WordPress, meaning it's limited to those who use WordPress sites. If you're working with other platforms like Wix or Shopify, then WPBakery is not going to be an option for you. Competitors like Elementor also offer more universal solutions that extend beyond just WordPress. The third thing is WPBakery's pre-built templates. It's a solid feature, but Elementor, for example, offers far more templates. Plus, they come with a higher quality and are more diverse in design. WPBakery does give you templates, but they can sometimes feel outdated or limited when compared to others. Next, WPBakery's customization options are broad, but might not be as detailed as you'd like. Elementor's advanced customization tools, such as custom CSS and motion effects, might be better suited for users who want a higher level of detail. WPBakery doesn't always offer the depth that some professionals might require. The fifth thing is the price. WPBakery offers a one-time payment plan, which can be a big plus for many users who don't want to deal with recurring subscriptions. However, it's worth noting that a similar lifetime plan is available for other builders like Thrive Architect, and Elementor also has a competitive pricing structure, though Elementor's Pro version does require an annual subscription. Next thing to consider is the speed. WPBakery isn't known for being the fastest in terms of loading time, especially when compared to newer page builders like Oxygen or Elementor. So if speed and performance are your top priorities, you might want to think twice before choosing WPBakery. The seventh thing is its responsiveness. While WPBakery does provide a responsive design, it sometimes requires more tweaking than other page builders. Elementor, on the other hand, has better built-in tools to make sure your site works well on all devices without much effort. The eighth thing is compatibility. WPBakery works with most WordPress themes and plugins, but some users have reported occasional conflicts or issues with newer plugins. In comparison, Elementor tends to have better compatibility across a wider range of third-party themes and plugins. Next thing to consider is support. WPBakery offers decent support, but in terms of response time and overall quality, many users find that Elementor and other page builders provide faster and more helpful assistance. If customer support is a major factor for you, it's something to keep in mind. The 10th thing is the learning curve. While WPBakery isn't as hard to learn as some page builders, it still requires time to fully get comfortable with its features. If you're new to website building and want something even easier, Elementor and other alternatives offer a smoother learning curve right from the start. The 11th thing to keep in mind is that WPBakery is somewhat limited when it comes to advanced design elements like animations and advanced typography, especially when compared to the likes of Elementor. If you're looking for features that push the boundaries of design, WPBakery might feel like it falls short. The last thing is SEO performance. WPBakery is generally good in terms of SEO, but it's not always as optimized out of the box as competitors like Thrive Architect, which offers more built-in tools for SEO optimization. In conclusion, WPBakery Page Builder is a solid choice for many, but it has its limitations. While it can certainly get the job done, if you want a better option with more features, faster performance, and a smoother user experience, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.